Well, if you're gonna bring a cigar, you gotta bring a lighter. I forgot it. Anyways, we're over by Boom Island. We're doing a little, say panhandling, we're doing a little rail fanning here. Out here last winter, and it was a little treacherous a couple winters ago. I did Boone Island, so it's kind of a cool little railroad track. It cruises in to Minneapolis, goes over the mighty Mo. Boone Island's a pretty big park. $1 to park for an hour. So yeah, 20th day of September 2024 will be like that bike ride. It took me 2 hours to get back. It's all uphill. So I'll do the other one there in Hopkins. It goes all the way to lovely and talented Lake Minnetonka. But anyways, we're kind of walking along here. Rail fanning. We're gonna walk across the old mighty Mo. You can kind of see all the stuff here. Kind of behalf of rail fanning for what the hell is his name again? Oh, I keep forgetting his name again. Shoestring. So, yep, hobo Shoestring. Guess he fell into the river. So, I'm like, God damn it, I forgot my lighter. What the hell? Anyways, oh well, way she goes. But I was down at Boom Island a while ago. It's kind of cool in the winter time. But beautiful day here in September. Getting closer and closer to the election. Can break an ankle real easy here. Hey, this goes right into downtown Minneapolis. But Boom Island's they have like fireworks. I think they're gonna have a concert thing there. I think. So yeah, I'm like, oh dang it. Forgot my lighter. I gotta go do over at off of 694, a pedestrian bridge and a railroad track if I can get on it. So we'll smoke that cigar then, but I guess if you're gonna do this behavior, you bring a lighter with you. But yeah, it gets some kind of work here. Walk across the old mighty Mo. I did a winter one here a long time ago. It's a nice park, Boom Island. Canadian Pacific is the big one in town that does a lot of moving around. They have a big rail yard over by off of, what the hell's that, 61. I think feeds into St. Paul, all over the place. But go across the old mighty Mo, shall we? Heck yeah. Kind of cool. The mighty Mo is down big time. I'm like, man, I thought I had the lighter. Unless I probably left it in the car. I thought I had it with me. But, oh well. Nowhere in my wallet. Nowhere anywhere else. Just my keys. But you can kind of tell over there. That's Boom Island over there. Minneapolis. Got it's a Hennepin County Bridge. Yep. Hobo Shoestring would be proud walking across. He rode a lot of trains, did a lot of that behavior. I was gonna do it last time I was here, but it was winter time and the train was coming. I'm like, can't really see where you're stepping. My feet were cold, so Yep. Over there is 94. That's downtown Minneapolis. It's Hennepin County Bridge, or the dam's over there. So someone, the call box out here. Took that bad boy out. A lot of walking you can do over here. Catch this, that's the reserve, that's where all the money's at. You can fish a long way with Boom Island over there. You can fish over there, so outcropping. But yeah, all kinds of fun stuff you can do. Yeah, we're coming up to Washington Avenue up here. Up over here. Trees are starting to turn here in the great state of Minnesota. Already here. Been really nice weather. It's supposed to be, got some rain yesterday. We need it. This winter better be good and cold. We'll be able to seaweed and shady oak. It's a beautiful day for videoing. I know that GoPro came out with a 13 already. It's like, and they came out with a 5, but you know, the problem is with GoPros, they overheat all the time. So, but yeah, this just gets some traffic, but not a lot. But you can tell. Disappointed to bring my lighter. Oh well. Not too much trash. The apartments are relatively new. Pretty clean somewhere around in here. So I actually saw a train going down. I was over in St. Paul today. I was going across the, I walked that train Chelsea before. I'm like, wow, I haven't seen a train going parallel to 94 in a long time. So, yeah, it's pretty interesting. You get up in here. This kind of leads into Target Field. Kind of hooks up with the main line, everything else. So, light rail, if you guys saw me walk before. They switch them off. There's two different tracks here, so they go two different ways, as you can tell. That stuff all goes back. In the old days, they switched it by hand. Now they do it by good old computer. So as you get into Minneapolis, a little more intense. I'm not going to go too much farther, but you know, they're kind of cool apartment. You guys looking out and I've seen the train every single day. Stadium. But it goes that way. It's pretty pretty good. So anyways, guys, little RailFanning-Train spotting. Never know what you're going to find when you walk in the railroad tracks, right? So anyways, guys, so we'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Hope you guys had a good winter when this came out. Everything else, so you never know, man. Have a good winter. We'll see who the 47th president is when this comes out. If it's Forked Tongue or the Hunch, or maybe me, who knows. So, all right, you guys. Without smoking a cigar, it's cow shit, cow pie, rail fanning. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.